stay up to date with all the amazing things we've got going, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hi, my name's Commando Mikaela and this is my junior Jo, Betty, and we want to share an idea with you, things to do at home while you're staying safe. Okay, so today we're going to make
Play-Doh!
Play-Doh! So all you need is a bowl, okay, 1 cup of flour, pour it in Betty, please, thank you. Okay, so then half a cup of salt, pour that in, thank you, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and lastly just half a cup of water. Brilliant. Now you just need to mix it all up, okay, until it forms a doughy consistency. Okay, keep mixing. If you want to be really fancy, you could add food colouring to make it all bright colours. Keep mixing. Okay, and then here's one we made earlier, and it will end up something like this, which you can shape and mould into anything you like. What are you going to make out of it, Betty? A Christmas tree, excellent. Now make sure that you keep it in an airtight container like a Tupperware or a lunchbox or something, that way it'll stop it from drying out. And stay safe and always remember to wash your hands.